So what's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to pair HP Rechargeable MPP 2.0 tilt pen. So firstly, if your pen uses a battery, make sure it's properly inserted. If it's rechargeable, fully charge it using included USB-C cable. Now, if this isn't responding, open Control Panel on your PC and then click Hardware and Sound. Select Pen and Touch and make sure Touch and Pen input are enabled. Calibration helps improve precision and alignment, so all you have to do is click the Windows search bar. Type Calibrate and then select Calibrate the screen for pen or touch input. Now in tablet PC settings, you can click Calibrate and then select Pen input. Follow the on-screen instructions and you'll see crosshairs appears on the screen. Quickly tap each crosshair with the pen before it disappears, and when prompted, click Yes to save the calibration data, and your pen should now be more accurate and responsive. If your pen doesn't still work, make sure your HP device supports MPP 2.0, update Windows, update touchscreen and restart your device. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks like this.